Unit 9, Mixed Review number 2. Which of the following could be used to describe the origin? Choose all that apply. So remember the origin on our coordinate grid. This would be the x-axis, this would be the y, and origin is right there where the two meet at 0, 0. So let's see. Answer choice A, the point where the horizontal axis intersects the vertical axis. Horizontal is like the horizon goes across, and vertical goes up and down. And so it is the point at where the horizontal and vertical axis intersect. So check that one. B, the point located, a point located on the x-axis. It's on the x-axis, but it's not just any point on the x-axis. That would be all of these. And so B is out. C, the point located at the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. Yes, that is the intersection. That is where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect. So C is correct. D, 0, 0, absolutely. That is the coordinates of the origin. And E, the point located in the top left corner of a coordinate grid. So top left corner, no, definitely not. So correct answers were A, C, and D.